I saw this pretty girl from afar. She looked so bright like a star. So we walk up to her, say, girl, can I get your name or your number? So we could get close, don't wonder. Where you wine strikes like thunder. You gonna make me the wonder. Wait till you get for your Honda.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another video. So you guys, today I'm back with another wig review, wig install kind of tutorial. So yeah, this unit was sent to me by RPGhair. You can see that the knots have been bleached already. As you can see, that right here is looking nice and bleached. And so the unit comes with combs and adjustable straps. So this is what the unit looks like straight from the box, you guys. It looks absolutely amazing. I love the texture. The Yaki texture feels so amazing. This unit comes personalized already, so it comes pre-plucked and the knots are bleached. You can see that it has been plugged. It can do it a little bit more personalizing here, like to make the frontal look more natural. So as you can see, it still looks a bit dense.
You don't say me, I no go ever do you, magu magu. So make you follow me go. See your backside, see they find my trouble. Me I know they like much talk. Make you tell it, DJ, make him break it down. See the way you move your body, girl, they make me feel the model. And I just can't get my eyes off you. Yeah, can I take you on a ride, baby girl? Maybe we could go grab a bottle. It is all about the things you do. Oh no, no. See how she gon' do me. She gon' do me. Oh no, no. You do what they gon' do me. If you what they gon' do me. She do this, she do me that. She grind it, she grind it for me. Oh no, no. She gon' give me all night long. For the fun.
So I'm just gonna go ahead and use my flat iron just to bump the hair and straighten the hair a little bit more.
Whenever your heart is broken, don't ever forget you're golden. I will find a light in your soul, I'll be there. Never leaving you in the darkness, even when you're out of focus. I will be the light in your life, you'll see it clear.
I'm just gonna go ahead and use my straightening comb just to define my pattern a little bit more, because I want this to look flat. Okay. As you can see, it's not looking as humpy as it was looking, so I'm just gonna continue doing this until I feel like this part has gone a bit flat. This was a middle part bob. You can actually part it any way you want to. Jeez. See guys, I am trying to achieve like a nice flawless kind of baby hairs, so I'm not going like heavy on the baby hairs at all. I'm just like pulling out a little bit of hair just to make it look a little bit more natural. I mean, the baby hairs are optional anyway. You don't really have to do the baby hairs. When I ride a bumble.
It's fake heels.
One time.
Standard.
Baby. One time. It's got to be. Lego. Passing the prime. Them girls, them I come, them I feel alive.
So this is the finished look, you guys. So I did go ahead and trim down the wig because I felt like, you know, it was too long for me. Like the bob was just too long for me. I just wanted something a little bit shorter, and I went ahead and just gave it a little bit of some messy curls. I actually like this kind of look. Like, let me know what you think, guys. And so I absolutely love this outcome. Like, this looks lovely. This looks so natural. I really love the unit. The unit is amazing. So the Yaki texture is so beautiful, you guys. I love the way it feels. It feels absolutely amazing. This hair did take the heat so well. Like, it is absolutely like effortless. So I'm gonna leave all the hair details in the description box down below. So I hope you guys did enjoy this video, and please don't forget thumbs up this video, also comment, rate, share, subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.